Hello children, this is our poem, okay? The Song of the Engine, THE the SONG song, OF of THE the ENGINE engine, okay? So this is the poem about the traveling in the train. Have you ever traveled in train, children? Have you ever heard the sound, the noise of the train travel? Isn't it? Everybody have heard, isn't it? So in the track, it will make some noise, isn't it? So the noise is very different, isn't it? When we heard itself, we can say that is a noise of the train, isn't it? So have you ever traveled? Yes, we are going to learn this poem, how it will give the positive vibes, that means thought in our mind. The different sound makes the different places when we travel, okay children? See these lines, children. I'm going to read each and every line and listen to my pronunciation and also the spellings, okay? And then I will explain you each and every line, okay? So first line, when you travel on a railway. Second line, and the line goes up a hill. Third line, just listen to the engine. Fourth line, as it pulls you with a will. Fifth line, though it goes so very slowly, it sings this little song. I think I can, I think I can. And so it goes along. I hope you understood the pronunciation, isn't it? I'm going to explain the first four lines. Listen to that, children. When you travel on a railway and the line goes up a hill, just listen to the engine as it pulls you with a will. So what they are saying is, that poet is saying that when you travel on a railway, the railway track, when you travel in the train in the railway track, when you goes up a hill, when the train goes up in the hill station, that means what? Hill area, hill station, just listen to the engine. You have to hear the noise of the engine, okay? So clearly you can hear the noise of the engine. When you listen to the noise of the engine, it pulls you with your will. What is mean by here? Will, WILL. Will means what? The strong wish to do something. That means what? The sound will create the positive thought to do something very good. That means what? That will give the strength, that will give the strong in your mind. The engine sound, when you hear the engine sound, when it is going up in the hill, if you listen to the voice, noise, if you listen to the noise, you will feel the strong, you will feel very strong, you will feel, and it will give you the confidence to do something good, okay children? This is the first four lines explanation. Do you understood? See the next four lines, children. Though it goes so very slowly, it sings this little song. I think I can, I think I can, and so it goes along. So what it is saying, that the poet is saying that when it is going very slowly in the up, when the train is traveling in the up in the hill, it is go very fast, isn't it? And in the slow, when it is traveling very slowly, it sings. The poet is saying that it sings this little song. That sound, the noise of the train when it is traveling very slowly, it sings like, sounds like a song, little song. It sounds like a little song. So that song is saying that I think I can. The person who can give the positive vibes, that person can think I can do anything. I can do anything, I can. So the person can say that I think I can. Whatever the problem, whatever the everything, whatever they think, everything I can do it. So the sound of the train when it is going up, when it is going very slowly, it gives the positive vibration in our mind, in our thought. So it is saying that I can do everything. So it is going goes very long, isn't it? When it is going to stop in station for the half kilometer onwards, what it will happen, it will go very slowly, isn't it? The noises hear very slowly. That sound, that noise makes the person to have the positive vibration. This is what the poet supposed to explain. This is second paragraph of this poem, children. Once I will read the poem, listen to me, okay? But later on the journey, when you are going down a hill, the train requires no pulling and the engines singing still. If you listen very quietly, you will hear this little song. I thought I could, I thought I could, and so it speeds along. I hope you understood the pronunciation, isn't it? I'm going to explain the first 4 lines, okay? So first 4 lines, but later on the journey, when you are going up a hill. So in the first paragraph, in the first 2 lines, what they are saying, and the line goes up in a hill. Now when you going up, you have to come down the back, isn't it? Yes. So later on journey, after sometimes, in the first line explains that later on the journey means after sometimes. When you are coming down a hill, the train requires no pulling. When you are having your cycle, you are driving your cycle, isn't it? Cycling, when you are going up, you have to pull more, you have to give your more strength to pull, go up in the hill, isn't it? And the same way, when you are coming down from the hill, you don't want to give any strength, you don't want to pull anything, isn't it? Simply you can come very easily, isn't it? From the hill to the down, you can come easily, isn't it? The same way, you can, when you are going down a hill, when you are coming down a hill, the train also don't need any requirements to pull down, okay? They don't want to pull anything, the easily it can come down. So, and the engine singing still, the same how the engine was still singing in the first paragraph, isn't it? When it is coming very slowly, it sings the little song, isn't it? The same song, when it is come, there is no pulling, it can come easily. Even though it can come easily, there is a noise. That means what? It hears like singing a song. So engine is singing a song, still it is singing, okay children? That is the explained for the second paragraph, first 4 lines, okay? See the next part in that second paragraph. If you listen very quietly, you will hear this little song. I thought I could, I thought I could, and so it speeds along. So what it is saying, if you listen very quietly, you have to sit and listen that very quietly. If you are traveling in the train, you will hear this little song, you will hear the little song. That means what children? The sound of the engine, it hears like a song, okay? So that song will give you what? The first paragraph is also, I have told you, I think I can, whatever it is, I can do it, I'm the person can do it. The second paragraph also, the poet is saying that I thought I could. That means what? I can confirm that I can do anything, okay? I can confirm that. And so it speeds along, if it is speed also, okay? So speeds means what? Here moves very fast. When it is moves very fast also, I can that means what? That the sound, the engine sound will give you the positive thought, positive thinking, whatever it is, the problem or whatever may be, I can face it, I can do it, I can make it very good, I can complete it, everything. So this sound is giving what? It is very different, isn't it? The poem means what? Basically it is children, it is full of flowers or something related to the natural things, isn't it? This poem is very different. The song of the engine, nobody explained like this. So this poet name is Christian Weatherly, okay children? So he is saying that the song of the engine also teach you a song, the engine sound also teach you a what? Positive vibration, positive thinking. That can also, the engine noise also give you a strength. The engine sound also make your willpower to be strong, isn't it? The strong mind, the good thought that I can do, I could do, I should do, I never give up, like that it can also give you the engine sound. Have you ever noticed the engine sound, the engine noise children? No, after hearing this poem, you should not watch this. Listen to the engine sound. Okay, it is also like bird. It is also singing very what different noise, isn't it? The engine sound is the train engine sound is very different comparing to the other sounds, isn't it? We can hear the bird song, parrot talking like that, and then the what voice of the flowers. That means what the when the wind is there and the flowers will shake. Everything is the different poem means that means different kind in the genre, isn't it? But it is very different. The song of the engine, the poem, isn't it? I hope you all understood this poem and read the poem after watching this video, each and every line. Okay, children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you, children. Take care.